How to find language settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click these 3 points in the bottom corner and now click settings here and then click account info and here just go down until you find the language here. Click on it and you can change it to anything you want and then just go back and click save and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.